Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today I'm just going to do a very quick one, and it's basically a Catch 100 update and the stuff I've added to it in order to make it a little bit better fishing kayak overall. Hope y'all enjoy. Now, in a previous video, I basically gave you an overview on the kayak. I told you about this paddle, but it is a carbon fiber Magellan paddle. After using it a little bit, I wish it had a little bit larger surface area as far as the board went, just to give me a little extra push. But going back, the main thing I've done is just added this Yak Gear milk crate, and it's really added a lot of versatility because I can add these two rods to the back. Gives me a few extra rod holders. So now I have basically 4 in the back. Pin conflict in this one, I think that's my tight line in that one. But I usually only carry about 2 rods at a time. I may add an extra one if I'm going out and I feel like I need an extra one, or just keep a net in here, not really sure yet. But in the crate, I just keep all my fishing tackle, and I could put 5 or 6 trays in here. Right now I just have 2 to give you an idea on what it's like. I have my anchor, Scotty mount anchor, as well as a bag to keep my phone, wallet, and all my stuff with me while I'm on this kayaking adventure or whatever I'm doing that day. Now, when we go to the other side, this is something I'm very excited about that I added today, and this is basically just a GoPro DIY mount for my kayak. It is 1/4 inch PVC pipe, and I got it cut at 4 feet. Now I took another foot off that, had a cap put on it, and I used one of the adhesive mounts that comes with the GoPro, and then the longer neck mount with the GoPro attached. And basically you can see everything around me from this angle. It looks very, very nice, and I'm excited when I went ahead and put it in. It's a very tight fit, but I want it to be that way. It doesn't roll around or anything, and this thing is not coming off the kayak easily. You're gonna have to hit something really hard. But now going on to this side, I have this Yak Gear shallow water anchor, and the unfortunate thing is that the anchor is actually too big to go in the scupper holes, because this is actually supposed to fit into your scuppers in the kayak, but those holes are too small that the shallow water anchor won't fit. So what I do is I go off to the side, push into the sand as far as I can, and use this bungee cord in order to hold myself to it. It's a little bit irritating, and it doesn't work nearly as well as if it were being able to put in the middle, but it's still something nice to have, I guess. I'll probably try to figure something out a little bit later. But that's just a very quick video, basically, of just everything I've done to the kayak so far. And I hope you enjoy this footage from the DIY GoPro mount, in case you're interested in doing something like this in the future.